Hey my babies, you already know what time it is. It's your girl Christina, Naturally Nola, back today with another Curlbox unboxing video. Now let's go. Okay, for this month's Curlbox, this is our heavy fashion box. So Curlbox is equipping us with the Elasta QP favorites. These professional styling goodies are rich in mango butter, olive oil, along with growth boosters like biotin and vitamin E. Okay, first up we have the olive oil and mango butter glaze conditioning styling gel. This is a 6-ounce bottle. It contains olive oil, mango butter, vitamin E, and biotin. This product also silkens and defines your hair. It leaves no product buildup and it shampoos out really easily. Okay, the next product we have is the olive oil and mango butter leave-in conditioner. This is a 15-ounce bottle. It contains olive oil, argan oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and shea butter. This product is supposed to add strength, moisture, and shine even to the most brittle, damaged hair. It's an anti-breakage leave-in conditioner and it has extensive treatment inside of it as well. Next we have olive oil and mango butter moisturizer. This is a 6-ounce bottle. It contains olive oil, mango butter, coconut oil, olive oil, cocoa butter, and biotin. This moisturizer is an easy way to care for your hair. It creates a protective layer that defends against damage caused by heat treatments. Use this hair moisturizer daily for a softer, fuller looking hair. Okay, next up we have the olive oil and mango butter design foam. This is a 8.5-ounce bottle. It contains olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and biotin. This product is perfect for long-lasting wrap styles, roller sets, or blow-dry styles. Okay, so last up we have is the Feels Like Silk Liquid Styling Gel. This is a 12-ounce bottle. It contains avocado oil, coconut oil, enriched vitamins such as A, B2, C, E, F, and H. This product is also perfect to create wave styles, short crops, and controls frizz as well. Adults and children can use this daily, also without the buildup. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video of my September 2019 Curlbox unboxing video. You know I'll be back next month once I receive a new Curlbox. If you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you my baby, but if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out so you don't miss out on any new videos. But until next time, my loves, stay tuned.